Hello and welcome to Olibr. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Python, a programming language that needs no introduction for its versatility. As of 2023, Python has secured its place as the most popular programming language, according to both the TIOBE Index and the PYPL Index. With powerful frameworks and libraries such as TensorFlow, Flask, Django, Numpy, Hadoop, and PyTest, Python opens doors to limitless applications. In this video, let's explore Numpy, a Python library that plays a crucial role in high-level mathematical functions. What is Numpy? If you're in need of a fundamental package for numerical and scientific computation, Numpy is your answer. Also known as numerical Python, this open-source library simplifies the process of numerical computing and has been a key player since its creation in 2005. With an active community boasting around 700 contributors and more than 18,000 comments on GitHub, Numpy shines as a great package for general-purpose array processing. It provides developers with high-performance multidimensional arrays, addressing the need for efficient operations on large datasets. If you're ready to dive in, installing Numpy is just a terminal command away. Simply run pip install numpy and unleash the power of numerical computing in Python. Features of Numpy. Numpy boasts powerful n-dimensional arrays, making it a go-to choice for efficient storage and manipulation of large datasets. Its rich set of numerical computing tools and functions, combined with being open source, interoperable, and performant, make it a must-have for developers. Applications of Numpy. From data science and machine learning to scientific research, financial modeling, optimization, and simulation, Numpy plays a crucial role in enhancing efficiency and simplifying complex numerical operations. Final thoughts. As we conclude our exploration, the significance of Numpy becomes evident. This fundamental package has become an indispensable tool for Python programmers navigating through the diverse landscape of Python libraries. For more enlightening reads, head over to our blog at olibr.com/blog. And hey, if you're on the hunt for exciting job opportunities, jump over to olibr.com and sign up. Unearth your potential, ignite your passion. Join our vibrant community across LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Threads. Stay tuned for more exciting tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. Until next time, keep innovating.